What's up everybody, Thomas Adams and DCIV in the last flight of this year. We're gonna go to Escher, and that said, I got a question last Bando from one of my mates, and he said, do you have like a Bando checklist or whatever? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my stuff with you guys and then basically check it together. So this is my gear and we're gonna go through it individually, but definitely gonna explain why I bring it. So let's start off with the first most important rule. 2 is 1 and 1 is none. If you have just 1 of something, you're gonna be fucked. You always want to bring 2 of everything you need. That said, the second rule is don't bring anything you cannot expense, because you're gonna break shit in the bando. So you have to be willing to actually break or lose stuff you bring with you. So that said, I don't bring my tools because I have my bando kit tools. So here's all the X I need, and obviously the TS100 with the LiPo cable. I got the tie wraps here, then I have the tweezers and the clipper here. 3 motors in ESC. Obviously the bag, I'll show it later, packed. And one of the most important things I bring is this little magnet. And this magnet on a rope, I recently upgraded the rope because it burned my fingers because it was way too thin. So I got a spiral coil, but more important, a neodymium or a radium magnet. You don't want to have too big one, but it's strong enough to actually pull up a drone. It already saved a couple of drones, very important one. You always want to bring a knife, whatever case. Obviously prop tool, LiPo checker. I have always I have balance leads with me and backs, so I can charge from LiPos. I can charge any device I bring with me. I have a box with all the screws, always bring this with me, because you never know. Obviously tape, I got the viscose wipes, the glass wipes obviously. Well, like I said, 1 is none and 2 is 1, 2 is 1, 1 is none. I always bring a couple drones. I bring these 2 drones, so I bring the demi bots. That's my main and my backup. I have my Marmot, and I brought this extra backup, the Source 1, and I brought a small 3-inch just to fire around if I break something. Comes with the second thing, always bring extra props. I always bring like 4 or 5 packs at least as a minimum. Obviously energy, but also energy management. So you want to bring enough power banks, all the cables you would possibly need for all your devices. I have a big pack to charge up my whatever I want to charge, but mainly I can charge LiPos with it. Then obviously I have a tablet with me, so I can do some last minute settings, always important. The cable speaks for itself. Then we have rugged gloves for climbing, then we have thin gloves for heat, a landing pad, sanitary wipes for eating or wiping your ass, or one or the other, but both ways it's hygienic. And just in case, but it's always great after a bando, you want to eat something or roll a joint and you want to clean up your fingers. This is like always great to have with, very important. Strap for the controller, goggles 1, goggles 2. Always check my stuff if it's charged, obviously, but more important that all the cards are there. I have extra cards with me, but this is my basic setup. Did I forget anything? No, this is my basic setup, and let's pack it now. So this is the bag. It's pretty tight packed, but everything you saw on the table is now in the bag. So all the drones on top, the little one under the hood, everything packed inside, about 30 LiPos, obviously the gear back on the side. So let's make it morning. Good fucking morning, so we're on our way. Probably cannot see shit because it's still dark, but the good news is it's only gonna be lighter. So we're there. Escher is there. We're gonna pack our stuffs and let's get ready. So we're at the trusty Bando spot, and now I'm gonna look for my souvenir I left here last time, a couple weeks ago. Some French guy said, Thomas, your barbecue was still there. So I'm like, okay, let me check it. So I brought the coal again, brought burgers, so we're gonna eat some burgers. I hid it here over somewhere. Look if it's still there. I saw it already earlier. The French call this La Maze. We call this Escher, House of Escher. And look what we have here around the corner. Yes, just the way I left it. Woo! Come here. Yeah. So, little update. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little ass car parked outside. And it's doing something next to the building here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the barbecue. We're gonna run the barbecue, and then if we don't get kicked out after eating our barbecue, then we're gonna fly drones. And if we're still not kicked out, then we had a good day. So now light up the barbecue. Bando Burger.
I just bought a girl, just to flex on you. Rari shoe, cause I'm mad for you. I just sold them too, bitch I never do. Freezer too, cause I flex for you. I just bought a girl, just to flex on you. Rari shoe, cause I'm mad for you. I just sold them too, bitch I never do. Freezer too, cause I flex for you. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Papa's and bitch, got ice. Papa's and 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 just to flex on you. Rari shoe, cause I'm mad for you. I just sold them too, bitch I never do. Freezer too, cause I flex for you. I just bought a girl, just to flex on you. Rari shoe, cause I'm mad for you. I just sold them too, bitch I never do. All I wanna do is getting blind. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. Papa's and bitch, got ice. Papa's and Papa's and bitch, got ice. Papa's and Papa's and bitch, got ice. Papa's and Papa's and bitch, got ice. Papa's and
bumpy ride. I couldn't make a full pack, but had a lot of fun. Good food. Made a drone to the dive, but it's down there. It crashed, so I'm gonna pack my stuff up and then we're gonna head home. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next year. Best wishes and send it. Yo.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
It's magnet time. Dun, 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 dun. There's something strange in your Bando. Who you gonna go?
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Afraid of no ghosts.
I lost voltage. 14, 13, 12, 11.
If you're seeing things
A bit high.
running through your head,
Let's reach it.
who can you call?
Ghostbusters!
An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.